sé, tú sabes dónde queda Julito, ¿verdad? ¿Qué? We've all been there. A native speaker is telling you a story. They are at 100 miles per hour, and you have no idea what they just said. So you do that smile and nod. You say, sí, claro. And pray they didn't just ask you a question. Stop doing that. Today I'm giving you the survival kit to actually stay in the conversation without freezing. In the comments of my last video, you guys were honest. You said the speed humbles you. The problem isn't your vocabulary, it's that your brain is stuck in the textbook mode. You're trying to translate every word instead of catching the vibe. First, you need to slow down without being annoying. Don't just say, ¿qué? Use this speed bumps. Espérate, ¿cómo así? Tú vas a 1000, bajar un chin. You're going at 1,000. Lower it a bit. If you count one word, use it. If they say vaina, ask, ¿qué vaina? It shows you're listening. Don't wait for the end of a 5-minute story to admit you're lost. Interrupt. It's actually more natural in Caribbean Spanish culture. Be high energy and interactive. Natives run words together. Voy a la tienda sounds like one word. Stop looking for that A. Listen for the tienda. Train your ear to ignore the connectors and hunt for the nouns and verbs. I want to hear your most embarrassing smile, not a story. What did you accidentally agree to? Tell me in the comments. And if you're a channel member, check the community tab for the survival phrases PDF from this video. Ciao! Big shout out to the channel members. Patrice994, Joseph 5019, Access Troy, Got Cage, Workshop Preparator, BFBSU 123, Live Your Life, See Your Age, Hypnotic Green, But Your Water TV.